Welcome to our exciting Learn to Solder Cacti. Here it is, 20 Learn to Solder dog bone resistors, plus 3 green flashing LEDs, and 2 resistors. The practice parts are all the dog bone resistors, the blue, as well as this one resistor. And then after they get comfortable learning to solder and making those solder connections, then they move on to the parts that are critical in making these LEDs flash, which is this resistor right here, and putting in these LEDs in the correct way. There's an anode and a cathode. If those get flipped, then this light or that light would not illuminate. So it has to be correct in there. Just have to look at the length of the LEDs. Comes with an instruction booklet on how to do this, which I designed. And then on the back in here, this is a 9-volt battery that's sold separately, and you get a battery snap. Now, I've had this plugged in for the past 14 hours, and it's going strong. And this Learn to Solder, one other thing, this is one of our most unique ones because this PC board that it resides on has a shape of a cactus, which is really cool. Normally, our Learn to Solders are square in format, but this one in here we're able to have our production cut around and make this shape. So it was a real fun learning experience. I've never made one of these before, and I'm passing this along to you guys to enjoy your Learn to Soldering and your electrical interest. So enjoy this. I'm going to turn the lights off so we can see how it looks at nighttime. That's just fantastic. Look at that. That was a lot of fun. Your students are going to have a lot of fun building this, and with all those pieces that they have to learn to solder and solder together, they have to click the dog bone resistors off a reel and then place them in there, bend them back, solder, clip, cut, next piece. There's 20 of those. This is going to take at least a day, a full class session to finish this, maybe 2. So gives them a real great practice on getting their solder joints completed. Look at that. Now it changed. Now they're all kind of in unison. All right, well, this was a fun project for me to build, and I'm sure it's going to be fun for your students as well. Enjoy the rest of your day.